What's up, guys? We're back for another one. Unfortunately, this one we are in the garage. The season has come to an end, so it's time to go get this baby winterized. So I'm just going to do a little quick prep work here before I head down to the dealer. And so all I'm going to do is, take you with me because that would be helpful, is I'm going to actually remove the double link plate from this and then put the original screws back in, just in case, well, not just in case, but just because if they need to open up the full amount of the CD to do the maintenance on it, I don't want them to have to worry about losing this. So just a little preemptive strike. But while I'm doing this, guys, I shot a little quick video about the Garmin. So I shot a quick video about this bad boy, and what I'm thinking about is I'll just cut it in here. It's not an in-depth review or anything like that. I kind of just go through a couple things that I like on it while I was out on the water thinking about it. But you know, if you want more about it, let me know. Otherwise I can do a little bit more detailed one during the winter. I'll sit in here and kind of go through all the buttons it can do and stuff like that. But for now, let's cut over to that video and just see what it looks like on the water and a couple of the screens that I use. So before we do that though, I will show you, for security reasons and because I'm taking it, you can actually pop the unit off, which would be easy. So it actually comes right off. So you're able to take it with you for security reasons. So that's done. And then you've got your positive and negative. They actually give you, where is it? Where's the other one? Sorry guys, that was a bit hard to do with one hand, but you get these rubber gaskets that you can actually put over your terminals and stuff like that. So that way you can protect them and stuff. So a nice little feature there. So yeah, like I said, we're just gonna pack up here. Put the cover, actually I'm not going to put the cover on because it's a beautiful day outside and I want to keep the cover with me, just in case. And then if I need it for when I pick up the CD, I have it and know that I have it. So let's get quickly started on this. And while I'm getting started on this, you guys check out that quick video on the Garmin. All right, see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so this map that you see right here is kind of what I have set up for when I'm actually out fishing. So I've got map of the area and then my sonar on the other side. So like you can see, we're at 84 feet right now. The time's 2, almost 3, depth. And then on this side you can see the chart where I've been fishing and everything like that. But let's take it back to the home page. So this is what you would see when you begin. You have your choice of just a chart by itself, a sonar, you have frequently used, combos, your gauges if you have it more wired in. On CDs that really doesn't play, you have to, that's more for boats. Your active captain is your app and how you transfer information, and what is on here can be on your phone. Underneath here, in here is your SD card that you can either download your maps to or they'll send you one. You have to have a certain size card. I think it's anything, you gotta have less than 32 gig card but more than like 8 gigs. I tried to put a 64 gig in here and it didn't work, so lesson learned. So you can choose chart, and that will, by pressing select, you have a fishing chart and navigation chart, perspective 3D, mariner's eye 3D, and fish eye 3D. That's all extras if you have, again, like a boat and stuff like that, and have a, my transducer is a hull transducer, so it's going through the hull, so none of this really works. You need one of those ones that it's outside of the hull for getting that kind of 3D stuff. But the choice is between fishing chart and nav chart. I really like using the fishing chart, so we'll select that. Now, it took me some time to get it set up like this, but there's a way that you can do it where you can set like your time, So far I've done, this unit has clocked me moving for 2,766 kilometers since I got the unit. We're sitting at about 86 feet of depth and we're moving at just under 0.6 of a kilometer, but that's just due to wind, which by the way I hope you can hear. So with the fishing one, it kind of gives you a gradient chart, so you can see that, like, you know, the white is the deeper and then it goes to red as being getting in shallow. You can zoom it out by pressing the plus or minus, and then you can see your whole area. What I like about the Garmin is it keeps your track, so you can see where you've been before, and especially if you're going through areas like up here where it's dark water, it's good to know that if you stick to your tracks that you've already done, you're probably not going to hit anything because you didn't hit it last time. So again, with an easy quick plus and minus, you can zoom right into what you're doing, and like you can see the ridge lines. So this is great for fishing because I'll troll the lines and stuff like that, and we'll help out there. Then you can go into your menu and you can choose like chart setup, quick controls, waypoints and tracks. Say, let's go back. I'm gonna go out a bit, and I wanted to choose where I wanted to go. I can, like, say with the plus and minus pad over here, I can control it and say I want to do, I'm just going to pick here, but you can see the depths it gives you. Stupidly, let's just do this. Let's pick this point and then I'll hit select. So it'll also give you coordinates like north 45, 11.66, west 80. It's how many meters away, blah, blah, blah. So if you hit select, you can choose how to get, like, it'll help you navigate. So like I could just go navigate to, and then you can, I do auto guidance, and it's pretty, it takes a couple seconds to calculate. This shouldn't be too hard. And then it'll actually draw you a line that you can follow to the thing. If you want, if you don't like that line, you can adjust the path with it, and then you can just hit start navigation. Everything's by hitting select, and it'll give you arrival time. Well, I haven't set all that up, but anyway, it'll give you a start and finish. And then if you're done, you do, whoops, nope, back, nope, select. What do you do here? Menu. Oh, we have menu, and then you just go to stop navigation. You can save the path if you use that a lot, but it saves the path already with that black and white dotted line, so really not needed. So no. So that's about it for the key things, guys. I will, if there's any questions about it, let me know, and I'll try to get, add a little bit more information to it. The one thing I did have an issue with is, like, when you start doing into your menus and stuff like that, there's just so many, like, settings, and then you do like units and other, like, it's just, there's a lot. So it just takes a bit of time to find what you're looking for in there. Otherwise, I have truly, like, 2 clicks and I'm in. And like I said, it has everything. I've got these all set up. These are things you can find in the app or in the actual system to make it how you want to see it on your screen. So that's that Garmin. Really enjoyed it. I mean, I enjoyed having the Navionics with the ramp mount on the on my handlebar here, but just with the way phones are costing so much money nowadays and things like that, I'd rather keep the phone safe in there. This is, like you said, perfect view line, doesn't obstruct your view at all, and it's right where you need to be looking. So I've had no issues with it. It's been great. So guys, definitely, if you're thinking about doing fishing or going for long trips and exploring, highly recommend getting this. Like I said, the phone works, and I do still have my Navionics on the phone just in case something went wrong. I could, if I was in a pinch, I could use the Navionics on the phone. But for the ease and convenience of, it's waterproof, it can detach, so for safety wise, if you want to store it somewhere, I mean, it's fantastic. So anyways, hope you enjoyed that quick little review of the Garmin ECHOMAP 62V, some jargon like that. And yeah, all right guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that little clip on the Garmin there and gave you some answers to any questions you might have. But again, if you do have any more questions or you want to see a little bit more of a detailed thing over the winter, definitely shoot me a note in the comments and I'll see if I can figure that out and get something going for you guys for that. Maybe a quick little video there. Otherwise, it's time to pack this bad boy up. We're going to head out to the dealership now to get it winterized. So let's get that prepped up and then we'll get out of here. So let's go. That's gear. Check back straps. Maybe a quick. I absolutely love these. Makes getting in and out so easy. Just a quick little. There we go. There we go. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I think I'm gonna head out now, take this down to the dealership, Energy Powersports. They hooked me up, so if you're in the GTA area, definitely check them out, Energy Powersports. So that's where I'm heading right now. So till I'm gonna do, I think when I get the Sea-Doo back, I'm gonna do like a 200, because I'm at about 200 hours on it right now. A nice 200-hour review of it, just overall, all the nicks and dings and things that I like and don't like. Secret tip, I like most things on this. So anyway, that's about it for this video, guys. I appreciate you checking it out. I know it's a quick little one, not really much to it, but I hope you enjoyed the thing with the Garmin. And like I said, reach out and I will definitely try to keep as much content coming to you guys as I can over the winter. But until then, if you're out on the water, be safe. For everyone else, thanks so much and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.